So find yourself a chair or a couch, whatever, and this is called sit to stands. It's very simple, but you want to do it right. So you have to have your feet grounded and then your spine long, shoulders relaxed, ramp your head back. You've got great posture. So, you know, in our lives, we go from seated to standing all the time, but we want to train ourselves to do it in an optimally safe and strengthening way. So let's do 10 together. We're going to take a breath in, and as you lift up, you'll squeeze your glutes on the top. There it is. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and you could have your arms in I Dream of Jeannie, or you could have them in prayer. Doesn't matter really. You can even keep them beside you. So I like them in prayer. Okay, I lost count. So that would be, let's do 3 more. 3, 2, and squeeze. Last time. There we go. Sit to stands. Do that every day for the rest of your life. More challenging and just as important is to practice getting from seated on the floor to standing. So come on down, and from your mat, your goal is to try to come all the way up to standing without using your hands. And I will say, if you do need to use your hands a little bit, do that, because that you may need a little help. Sometimes your knees require a little extra support. So whatever works for you, but we're going to go from seated to standing. And here it is. Swivel your legs around, and then without, if possible, using your hands, come up onto your knees. And once you're on your knees, curl your back, one toe, curl the toes of one foot, and the other foot will come forward. And now you're in a low lunge. From here, you'll use your breath and momentum and the strength of your legs to come up, and you're standing. Ta-da! Now take it backwards. So that same leg that came forward, take it back, drop that knee, 2 knees down, and then come to your seat, and you're back where you started. Let's do it again, and we will lead with the other leg this time. So if you can swivel your legs the other direction to come up, do that. If not, you can stick with the same direction. Come to your knees, and now it's the other leg will come forward, and the curled toes are behind you. Be in the low lunge for a moment, get grounded and rooted, and then use your breath to lift you up. And you are standing. Great. So that's Sit to Stands challenge. Thank you so much for joining me in this challenge today. If you are already a member of our group, and I know who you are, please go below the video and leave a comment and say hi. Tell me what you thought. If you're not yet a member of our group, you can go below, find the link, and request to join the Facebook group, The Strong Bones Challenge. So that's it. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I would love to see you next time at Forever Yoga with Susanna, Osteoporosis Safe Yoga. Namaste.